Hello, this is topic number 4, storage device presentation, and I am Sean Prater. Beginning with the similarities and differences between the file system structure of a Windows and a Linux operating system. Uh, Unlike Windows, Linux is bootable from a network drive. In contrast to Windows, everything is either a file or a process in Linux. Linux has two kinds of major partitions called data partitions and swap partitions. Now, because of the existence of swap partitions, you never run out of memory in Linux, unlike Windows. In terms of recovery tools, only a limited number of tools can be used on Windows, while there is a large number of Unix-based recovery tools available for Linux file systems. And that kind of transitions us into why I prefer Linux operating systems. Microsoft's closed source model means that its source code cannot be scrutinized or modified, while Linux open source model means that developers can review and improve a distribution source code. Now, Linux has the advantage over Windows because of its open source code. Microsoft is growing in its support of open models, but is still largely based on licensing and closed source and closed model licensing for the time being. Now, storage solutions in an enterprise network, beginning with direct attached storage. Now, this is a form of data storage accessed through an external drive's direct connection to a computer. Now, some examples include external HDDs, which have to be connected to a desktop or a laptop through a cable, and SSDs, which you use a cable or a M2 port in the motherboard. Now, direct attached storage is a quick way for users to access their storage on the computer, and it's also less flexible methods of data storage. And then we also have the option of network attached storage. This is a storage system that makes files stored in one device available to users in different locations. So as long as they can access the network, they can use those resources. It also can hold hard drives with stored files, such as documents, videos, music, and photos. And network attached storage is a good choice for businesses that want to lower storage cost. Excuse me. Now, the ethical considerations of utilizing storage devices when cost considerations are prevalent. With cyber attacks on the rise and with the current uptick for more data, online users are becoming more aware of the issues surrounding the privacy of their data. So, from a Christian perspective, it is important to adhere to data ethics, which helps organizations manage the risk associated with data privacy. Proper ethics helps improve user experiences without violating personal data privacy. And the role ethics will play in my decision-making process would be first to address access control, data encryption, and data integrity within my organization. So, for example, access control. It helps ensure data access is strictly controlled and audited so that anyone accessing data can be easily and accurately tracked. And then you have data encryption. This is critical for protecting against risks such as ransomware. And finally, you have data integrity. Data integrity helps protect data from corruption and harmful cyber attacks when cyber criminals are trying to steal your data. So data integrity is very important. Well, that is all. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.